A free paper trading practice platform, my recommendation, that's what I want to talk about here in this video. Now, one quick note, paper trading, demo trading, simulator trading, they are all one and the same. And this is a constant question I'm always getting. Clay, I'm new, I'm a beginner to the markets. What would you recommend as a platform to help me get started with trading and practicing? Because I want to be wise about this, and I applaud you for being wise. Now, the big thing here and the first question that I want to ask you is, do you plan on being a technical trader? Meaning, do you plan on using technical analysis, candlesticks, supports, resistances, moving averages, Bollinger Bands, MACDs, all that sort of stuff? If you're saying, yeah, Clay, I plan on being a technical trader and I want to use charts within my trading, then perfect. One side note, just because, even if you say, no, I don't plan on it, I'm not saying that this platform can't be of assistance to you, but as a technical trader myself, that's just more so where my bread and butter is at. So assuming you're saying, yes, Clay, I want to be a technical trader, my next question would be, well, how do you view what I'm about to show you? I'm about to show you this platform's technical charts. And if you see these and you're like, ugh, then you know what? They're not going to be for you, because as a trader, we want to make sure that our eyes are liking what we see, because if they're not, then it's going to make life very, very difficult. Now, let me be very clear. Even if what you see your eyes do like, does not mean that you're going to make a bunch of money, because there's more to it, unfortunately, that goes into it. Just, oh yeah, that looks good. But you know what? To try to make this as smooth as possible, let's make sure you at least like what you have to see. So right here, you see this platform's charts. And like I said, very basic question. How do you feel about these charts? Do they look okay? Do they look ugly? Just to give you a little context here, you know, that's going to be the question that you're using. And as I speak, you can see right there, the price is moving around. So that'll be the determining factor. If you think these things, now do they have to be the absolute best, the absolute prettiest? I'm not going to go that far, because this is a free platform, and with a little twist in a good way, as I'll explain. But, oh wow, look, good timing. Look at this pretty big downwards move right there. But point here being is that, how do you feel about these charts? Do you like what you see? Do they look visually appealing, or whoa, look at that. I would like to say I scripted this out, but this was just good timing here. Now I want to sit here and watch this, but look at this downwards move here. So quite the movement on this chart. Oh, getting even lower. So this is fantastic. And I don't know how new you are, but what I'm watching is, and maybe you notice the same thing, but the big red bar here getting lower and lower. But yeah, as much as I want to sit here and continue to watch this, that's not really the point of this video. If you're still watching, I would assume that means that you did like what you saw. So from this point forward, they are Weeble, and I'll put a link down below. Now, the cool thing about Weeble is, I mentioned earlier, it's a free platform, but a little twist. And actually, you will get paid to use them. How so? Well, they're always running different promotions, and sometimes they're giving away money if you sign up. Sometimes they're giving away free stock. But all you got to do is get signed up, deposit some money. Now, again, that's not a payment, because you could use that money to go and trade with if you wanted. But just by putting in some money, they're going to give you through their promotions program either free stock or free money. And I don't know that, because if you're watching this video 5 months from now, I don't know what their promotion is going to be. But if you use the link down below, you'll get access to whatever the promotion is. Full transparency, that is an affiliate link. So yes, I will get something too. If you do use that link to sign up. Like I said, I'm recommending, and not even really recommending them, I'm only recommending them if you like what you just saw there via their charts. If you think that was the ugliest thing you've ever seen, then yeah, you're going to want to go look for another platform. But when it comes to them being free, them actually paying you to sign up and use them, I think there's a lot of benefits to that in and of itself, once again, assuming that you like what you saw there. So yes, who do I recommend when it comes to the practice paper trading, practice demo trading, simulator trading? Definitely Weeble. If you use that link down below, you'll be able to go use these charts. They have all sorts of a great simulator in and of itself. And I'm confident you'll be very happy with the program, with the platform itself, assuming that you liked what you just saw there. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions or anything, leave those down below. And like I said, definitely use that link so that you can take advantage of whatever promotion they're offering. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.